Welcome to this Ole Geek. Today, we're actually going to open a Star Wars toy. Alright, today I'm going to do something I don't do very often, and that is actually open up a Star Wars toy. So many times my grandkids come in and they're like, "Papa, why don't you open these?" And I'm like, "Because." They don't get it. So I thought it would be fun to open up a set of Star Wars Hot Wheels ships. So it combines two of my favorite geeky things, Star Wars and Hot Wheels, and put them on display. Open. Crazy, I know, but we're going to do it. There's a set of 9 of these, and they came out before some of the last episodes. So it's kind of neat. You're encouraged to get all 9 of them because in each box is a piece to build your own Death Star. Crazy but true. I've already opened up the other 8 and I saved number 9, the Millennium Falcon. Of course, they made people wait for the Millennium Falcon, so you had to get all of them before you got to this guy. So we're going to open up the Falcon and then build the Death Star. So let's go ahead, open this up. So right away, there's the stand and the last piece of the Death Star. It will make it fully operational. All right. So here's the Millennium Falcon. These are die-cast Hot Wheels. The quality seems really good on them, and they display nicely on their stands. It's a little tough to get them out of the plastic, but once you do, there we go. That looks like the Millennium Falcon. All right, so let's get this guy open. This is crazy, just crazy. We're opening up a toy. What's nice is they kind of only go in one way, so if you've got the right thing, and there you go. The Millennium Falcon, ready to destroy the Death Star. All right, so in true form, if there were instructions, I have no idea where they are. So let's see how this might go. Looks like a puzzle. Not bad. So we've got 3. This is exciting, isn't it? Here's number 4. There we go. Only one way. All right, there's 4. Let's get 5 in. I think the numbers are up. There we go. Look at that. It even has a thumb area, which is where the dish is going to be. Kind of reminds me of a thermonuclear detonator, but it's not. Okay. See, that's what that was for. All right, number 7. Number 7 goes here. Here. Yep. There's 7. 8. We're getting close. Let the countdown begin. All right. And last but not least, let's go this way. Push the two bottoms together, maybe. There we go. All right. There it is. Although I don't see the exhaust pipe. Oh well. All right. Pretty cool. Stand. Let's see if he'll stay on his stand. All right. There it is. The final pieces. The Millennium Falcon and the Death Star. Fully operational. The collection is complete. I'm going to go put it with the rest of them, and we'll show off a picture of that so you can see them. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video.